Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I said I should pose for you. As you're coming, you should just see posing. It is a Tuesday morning and the boys have gone to school. So I just packed their bags and they're off to school with my husband. And I'm going to work in about 2 hours from now. And I want to start working out again. And I'm also going to be packing my lunch for work. Well, lunch/dinner for work. Alright, so there's this new workout that I just discovered and it only takes 5 minutes. It works out the whole body and I don't even need to get into my gym clothes or anything like that. You guys, my face has finally cleared out. I only have 1 or 2 giants in the land. Stubborn elements, but my face has cleared out, you guys.
So the exercise is really simple. Like I said, it took me literally 5 minutes to do this, and I can't show you the full extent because obviously what I'm wearing is too short, but I'll show you that in a separate video. So I packed up my mat. I haven't used the mat in God knows how long. I washed up some potatoes for my lunch, and then I'm just going to cut that up and put it in a pot, add some salt and water, and just let that boil for a minute while I just get on and prepare my chicken. So I have some chicken marinating in the fridge. I have the recipe for the marinade. I'll show you that on Instagram, maybe here, but I'm not sure. But that's currently how my upload schedule is at the moment. I'm trying to build up my Instagram page. But anyway, I put that chicken on to cook, and then I'm just going ahead to prepare my berries. I'm using strawberries and blackberry for my parfait today. I'm just giving that a quick wash, and then I'm going to go ahead and take off the heads of the strawberries. Most people eat this part, but I don't know. I don't feel comfortable eating that. Those are my berries of choice for today. Anyway, I flipped the chicken halfway, and then I'm just going to go ahead with my parfait. I've put some yogurt down and some chia seeds. Ladies, don't sleep on chia seeds. Chia seeds have a lot of benefits for you. I've also gone ahead to put some desiccated coconuts, my berries, and some granola, and then I'm topping that with the honey. And this is what I have around 10 o'clock for the day. I'm just going to close that and set that aside while I let my chicken rest. It's cooked at this point. I'm just giving my pan a quick wipe down, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish off my potatoes. There's this really fun way I make them. I add some butter and some onions in there, and then I just let the onions caramelize for a bit, and then I add my potatoes back in. Remember, there's salt there already, so I just go ahead and add some parsley and some crushed black pepper. Just that around till the butter is all incorporated into the potatoes, and that's it. Sometimes I add in some other herbs, but I don't feel like today, so I just chopped up my chicken and put that in here. This is my husband's lunch bowl actually, but he wasn't taking lunch to work today, so I'm using his bowl for today. Besides, it looks nice. Anyway, I'm chopping up some cucumber, and this is my veggies of choice for today. I pack that in a separate bowl, and then that's my lunch done. I'm just going to go ahead and pack that up and then make my way upstairs, have a quick bath and get ready because I need to be out of this house in less than 20 minutes. Okay, so I go up, have my bath, and then I'm going to pack up my fruits for I'm having some onions, oranges and apple. I'm filling up my water bottle as well, and yeah, music for the road, my Stanley cup, and that's it. I'm out of the house.
Alright, you guys, I'm off my way to work now with my Stanley cup and my lunch bag. My god, those glass bowls are heavy, but they're better for my health. It's better than plastic plates. Anyway, I will see you guys when I see you. So are you planning your next trip? Are you planning to travel in and around the UK? Have you guys ever heard of trip.com? That you can move around the UK in literally hours. All you need is a mobile app. It's easy to move around from country to country. I'll also be sure to link that in the description box below for you, so you guys can go ahead and use my code. The app is user friendly and super easy to use.
You can download the app on either Apple Play or Google Play, and this is what the interface looks like. For car rentals, you can get vehicles as cheap as £20 per day. I selected a 3-day trip, so this is what it's looking like. For context, I've selected London to Dubai and I've put my details in for a family of 4, and this is what I'm getting for flight and hotel.
So whether you're planning to travel via train, tram, buses, whatever it is, it's super easy to use. Download the app and thank me later.
3 days later.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Life has been lifing. Father Lord, I feel like I've been on a train. Like, I have not stopped moving for weeks. Anyway, you guys, how's everybody been? How have you guys been coping? This cold is starting to cold. It's getting serious. I just want to clean up this kitchen. It's a mess. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's a proper mess. Today is cleanup day. Today's video is proudly sponsored by Greennote, but more about that later. I will be using their products to clean this house and give you my honest opinion. Come along with me.
Before I go ahead and start cleaning, I'm just going to go ahead and make a really quick breakfast. In this pan, I have some tomatoes and some mushrooms. I've seasoned that with salt and pepper, and then I'm just going to saute that for a while, pack that to the side, and then saute some onions as well. I'm also shredding some carrots here, and this is what is going to be my base for my wraps. I'm putting down some mayonnaise and I'm adding some carrots, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my fried tomatoes and mushrooms with my onions, and I'm adding eggs with that as well. This is my quick breakfast. This is what I eat on some mornings. I change the filling from time to time, but this is typically what I have. I'm just going to be making some hot chocolate with that, and I'm using cocoa powder instead of hot chocolate. This is how my mom used to make it for us when we were growing up. So she'll add some sugar and then a pinch of salt, and that's it. Add milk and it's ready to go. So that was breakfast. So let's get into this unboxing. In the box, it comes with a manual. It also comes with a rod that is extendable. You get to see that later on. And it also comes with this nozzle that is great for hard to reach places, a cleaning brush, another nozzle. I use this for the steps. And then you get the hoover head, and then the charger, an extra filter, and you also get the control. All right, so the compilation was really easy. It came together really nice. You get to see how it extends. It also has this really great charging mode where I can just plug this here and it charges up really quickly. It's also quite silent when you use it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I use this for the whole house, and the power didn't cut out until I was done. As for the rest of my day, I spent that baking. My children had a bake sale in school. This, believe it or not, was the extra, and this was what they took to school. I put that in this really nice box, and I put their names on it, and also the allergies that came with whatever it is that I baked. This is what it looks like, and this is an up close of what it looks like till today. I don't know whether my children won or not, but that's it. You guys remember this bag and slippers I unboxed last week? I don't think you guys got to see these items properly, but here's an up close of it again. The slippers, gosh, I wish it was a few months back that I got this. I would have rocked this thing till kingdom come. Look at the attention to details. This is a one-to-one replica from the Hermes collection, and I absolutely love the color. I love the cut. Onto the bag, you guys. I've been seeing this bag all over my timeline on Instagram, and I'm like, I have to get this bag. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love bags that are waterproof, because the weather in this country is just something else. And when I'm out, I don't want to have to bother about the quality of my leather getting ruined. And that's why I selected this bag again. I love the long strap. I love the attention to details. Can you guys see Louis Vuitton written all over this bag? Even onto the really tiny gold buttons on there, you get to see the brand name written on it. The sewing, the stitching, the cut, it is 100%. Like, I've gone online to check one-to-one, like spot the difference, and I can't find one. You guys know that I will not bring you rubbish on this channel. Look at how good the bag looks. I'm wearing all black here so that you guys can get to see the bag shine on its own, and this is what it's looking like. I really love it. I love how it fits. You guys go on Tikone.ru Their details will be in the description box below. They've also given you some amazing discounts to take advantage of. So go ahead, click on the link in my description box. Shop. These are at discounted rates. If you look at the original price on Louis Vuitton site and check this one, this is a discounted rate. I tell you, I'm not going to give you an up close on my slippers because my nails are not done, but this is what the bag is looking like. I absolutely love it. Thank you again to Tikone for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love my items. Moving on to dinner, we are having potatoes. This is actually another day's dinner. It's not the same day. Okay, so I'm going ahead to cut my potatoes into wedges, and I'm just going to put that in a glass bowl because this is going in the microwave. I'm going to season that with oil. I'm adding some salt and some crushed black pepper. I'm also going to be adding some parsley and some paprika because it adds really nice color and it's not for heat, it's just spice. All right, so this is what it's looking like before I give it a quick toss, and then into the microwave it goes. I'm going to put that on 5 minutes, and then it's just going to go and cook, and then after 5 minutes I'll take it out, give it another toss, and give it another 5 minutes. All right, let's review this Cosori dual blaze twin fryer. Like, you guys, this is an upgrade on the last one they sent me. I love how big this basket is. You can convert this into individual pots, but I love the grand zone. I love the fact that I can get to cook a really big batch of chicken, whatever meat I'm using. Today I'm using the grand zone, and you can also sync and match the time just so that everything cooks evenly. I'm going to put my ribs in here. I already marinated that in the morning, and now that it is dinner time, I'm just going to go ahead and put this on 170 in my grand zone and let that cook for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and chill with the rest of my family. I don't have to stand and watch this cook. This is after the second 5 minutes is done and my potatoes are ready. Fork test to tell you how soft and cooked this is. I love potatoes, and I love potatoes with the skin on. All right, so it's halfway now, well, more than halfway, and I'm just going to flip the ribs over just so that they cook and the juices also get to saturate evenly. I'm also going to increase the time, and one of the advantages with this air fryer that I find that I really love is the fact that they've made an upgrade on it, because the last one, anytime I open the basket, the time continues to count down, which is not very good. This one, the time pauses, so when you're done turning or doing whatever you like with your food, the time just continues from where it stopped, which is really good. So here the food is done, everything is ready, and this is what my ribs are looking like. It was so moist. Dinner was so good. I'm giving everyone 2 ribs, and that is what we're having for dinner. I'm not having any veggies tonight because tonight is one of my cheat nights, and yes, this is what I'm having for dinner. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Further details to this hair fryer will be in my description box. Also get to follow me and see what else I do with this air fryer. I've cooked a ton of dishes in there. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching today's vlog. It has absolutely been a pleasure spending this past few days with you. I will see you guys in my next one. Until the next one, remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.